Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel. Safe Soil, Conscious Planet. Let's make it happen. I have been making so many videos in the past, in the last 100 days, and I just forgot to say safe soil. So, safe soil, safe soil, safe soil. Okay, so today we're going to be making haldi and neem balls with Isha's turmeric powder and neem powder. So earlier I used to buy those capsules. I think it was about 500 or 250 for 2 boxes, and it was pretty good quantity. But then this I realized is a lot more cheaper. So neem powder is 60 rupees and turmeric powder is 70, and there's still a lot of quantity. So we're gonna prepare. Have I been talking too much now? Okay, so we're gonna be preparing stock enough for a week, and I usually have like 2 balls each every day. I start with neem. This looks enough, I think. I can also mix it with the hand, but let's try with this one. So me, honestly, like I've been having these for a while now, and I honestly feel that increase of energy like within 5 minutes of consuming these, like almost like coffee. I'm not joking. And there was a small gap, probably like 2 weeks, where I didn't eat, where I didn't have these haldi and neem balls, and I did feel that drop of energy, and ever since I resumed, I can feel that rise again. So you can share your views and like if you also felt this. Okay, I think this is decent thickness. No, it's not. It's still pretty sticky, so we will have to add. That will happen. So with my hand, this is the best mixer. So yeah, now with hand it looks perfect, like a dough, and from this we start making the balls. So ideally, this, at the ashram we used to make smaller, but I think like this is the size that I make. So it's even big enough to just have one in the morning, and like if in the evening you feel like having another one. There we go. It's pretty big, but it works out for me. You can probably like make 2 from 1 ball, like half the size of this. And similarly, I'm going to do this with turmeric. Just do it like this together. Also, it's just like more of a guessing. I just guess, okay, this much quantity looks okay. So far, it looks like this. Also, I mean, you could use another utensil, but I don't mind using the same. Okay. See, with hand it got ready in like a minute, not even a minute, 10 seconds probably. Dough kind of. Like just touch the this thing and see if a ball is possible. Like a ball. And then after this, then I'll give it a push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We are probably good for like 10 days or 7 if I want to add twice. So if you are somehow looking for healthy and lean balls from Isha, then this is your video. And save soil. Let's make it happen. And namaskaram. Thanks a lot for watching. One of each.